On November 10, 2018, Salem High School hosted the Division I semifinal playoff game against Pinkerton. It had rained significantly in the week leading up to the game, and even before the game, the field showed signs of heavy use and bare spots. The game was the fifth varsity home game played in 2018. Under current NHIA scheduling, Salem could play as many as 7 home games and did so in 2017. From the beginning, the game was marred by poor footing and muddy patches, which only got worse as the game went on. The quarterbacks had a hard time getting footing, and the receivers could not run their routes. In addition to varsity home games, there were 4 junior varsity home games and 5 freshman home games played in the fall season of 2018, with 2 more being canceled. There were only approximately 12 walk-through practice days for the entire football program on the field. The field currently does have significant outside recreational use by the Salem Rams, using the field almost every Sunday through the fall, with multiple games each day. There are also a few student activity events scheduled for the field as well. The field is hampered by poor underdrainage and the lack of a base material designed to grow grass. Recovery time is limited. The field conditions increased risk of injury as running backs fell down and broken plays lead to injuries. Late in the first half, Pinkerton, leading 6-0, drove to a 1st and goal at the Salem 3-yard line. The Salem defense figuratively and literally dug in and held out the Pinkerton Astros in 4 straight plays, which left the field in a condition so poor it may require resodding next spring. By halftime, it was clear that the field was in almost unplayable condition, with another half still to go. The SHS band was also impacted by poor field conditions this fall. They were limited in their fall rehearsals and had only Wednesdays and Saturdays to practice on the field. On this particular Saturday, the conditions were such that both bands had to perform their halftime music from the track.